Presenting to you the Tailor Truck. Hey guys, meet Haya, who is a party tonight but she is confused what to wear. Finally she chose her favorite color. Oh no, it's too loose for her. Don't feel bad. Here's your solution. The Tailor Truck. Book us by using Instagram or WhatsApp. And the Tailor Truck is at your doorstep. The lady tailor takes Haya's measurements and collects the fabric to be altered. Within a few minutes the tailor stitched the fabric and given back to Haya. And this bring happiness back to her.